Yes, I do live with this sound for 24/7. And if you're experiencing tinnitus as well, stay until the end because I'm going to give you very effective tips to manage your tinnitus. First, stay away stimulants like caffeine, alcohol, nicotine. These are stimulants. Think about it in this way. We do consume caffeine to focus on things, focus on details, but then it helps us to focus on our tinnitus. I'm not talking about 1 or 2 cups of caffeine, but excessive caffeine, excessive stimulant consumption can trigger your tinnitus symptoms. Second, wear hair protection in noisy environment. This is so important. Anything above 85 dB can damage inner hair cells in your ear, which can cause a hearing loss and tinnitus. Third, stay away from anxiety and stress. The tinnitus is not being produced in the ear itself, it is being produced in the part of the brain that calls amygdala. So what happens, amygdala says, oh, something is wrong, let's go into fight or flight mode, and then it's creating this phantom noise which we call as tinnitus. When we are stressed and have anxiety, we release these stress and anxiety hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, and then it put us into fight or flight mode easier. So we would want to avoid these to achieve habituation. Follow up to learn more tips on tinnitus and tinnitus management.